Hi guys, welcome back. This is just a very quick update. I am about to go in church and I didn't want you guys to think I forgot about you. And I couldn't be late this morning because I never know what instrument they're going to have me playing, whether it be the bass, the drums, the piano, the organ, the mandolin, whatever. I just play whatever instrument I'm needed on for that service. So I do have a couple of videos that I've already kind of started. I need to finish up for you guys. But I will be doing one where I am creating an envelope journal again from start to finish, because I have had several requests for that. And then I will be doing a Photoshop tutorial because I have some tickets that I need to change and get ready to be uploaded in my shop. And as you guys can probably see, the weather is already looking pretty rough here, and Elsa is still several hundred miles away. So anyway, happy 4th of July, guys. That is the first thing. We did have quite a few plans for this afternoon, but with the weather the way that it is, I just don't know. So it's going to be a day of crafting for me. I do have a few of my, what do you call those things? Like the power banks for your phones and stuff. I do have a few of those that I am charging right now. And so hopefully that even if we lose power, I will still be able to work. We shall see. But that's the thoughts. Maybe wrong, but who knows? So yeah, stay tuned. For sure this afternoon there will be a video posted. I don't know which one will be finished first, whether it is the Photoshop or the envelope journal video, but either way there will be at least one video posted today. So I hope everybody stays safe and happy 4th of July, and I will see you again in a few hours. Bye guys.